How to use Ahrefs Pro SEO tool properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Ahrefs is a powerhouse for SEO professionals, yet many beginners waste its potential by making simple mistakes. You won't believe how often users miss opportunities that could skyrocket their rankings. The first mistake is ignoring site audits. Ahrefs Site Audit feature detects broken links, scroll errors, and duplicate content. Beginners often overlook these insights, letting SEO issues quietly harm rankings. Running regular audits ensures your website is healthy and search-friendly. Another common error is underutilizing backlink analysis. Ahrefs excels at showing which sites link to competitors and which backlinks drive authority. Ignoring this means missing easy opportunities for link-building campaigns. For example, if a competitor earns links from industry blogs, reaching out to the same sources can improve your domain authority quickly. Beginners also fail to track keyword rankings properly. Ahrefs Rank Tracker monitors performance over time and across locations. Without tracking, you can't measure SEO success or adjust strategies based on real data. Tracking local and niche keywords can uncover hidden traffic potential. Fourth mistake is neglecting content research tools. Ahrefs Content Explorer identifies high-performing articles, revealing topics that resonate with audiences. Skipping this step can result in content that receives little traffic or engagement. Finally, many ignore alerts. Ahrefs can notify you when competitors gain or lose backlinks, or when your own site experiences changes. Without alerts, opportunities and threats go unnoticed. To use Ahrefs Pro effectively, run consistent site audits, leverage backlink insights, track keywords carefully, research content topics strategically, and set alerts for real-time updates. Avoiding these beginner mistakes ensures your SEO strategy is smart, data-driven, and highly effective.